Importing files using the import option. There's many ways to import our media, but let's go up in the import option. I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go to Import. I'm going to go over to my import folders, and I'm going to say, oh, I want to bring in this clip. I'll say Open, and it populates that clip down into my project browser. Another quick way to do it, which I prefer, is to double click in the open area of the project browser. Then you can come in and you can actually pick and say Open. Okay. Another thing you can do is double click down in here. You can do more than one. I can come down here and say I want these two clips. Okay, so I can import more than one. And I can double click in here, and I can also import images. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all these, and I'm going to right click and say clear, just to clean up a little bit. There's another method I can do is drag and drop. Now I have a second monitor that you can't see, but I'm going to drag over here in my Windows Explorer, and I'm going to just pick on a couple of items. I'm going to drag and drop. For example, I'll drag and drop one clip in, and boom, puts it in there. I can drag and drop on some images, multiple images, it'll bring it in there. So I like dragging and dropping. It's a nice, fast, easy way. I also double click in the open area, the blank area as well. So that helps. So I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to clear them. And there's another method we can do. And another method is I can double click in here. I can go back up to my folder level. Now I had this in a folder here, and I can say import folder. So I'm going to take everything in that folder. I'm going to do that. Boom, it's going to bring everything in that folder. Notice it built a folder over here. Now, what I like to do is I like to create a new bin. Okay, so I'm going to come in here and say, oops, sorry. I want to create a new bin, and I'm going to call this images. And I've got to type images, and I want to create another one while I'm at it called clips. Okay. When I go out under here, you can see that, I have all my items here. So I can navigate up here, and you can see, these are at this level, and maybe I want to put them in here. Okay. And now I'm going to scroll down and say, now it's starting to make sense. This is building a structure and organization. So I can come in here and I can move these things into images. And I got a few more to go here. I'll move those into images. Okay. And those are already moved in, sorry. So let me move those into images. Now I have these movies, and I should probably put those into clips. Okay, so I'm going to move those into clips. And so now I got things cleaned up. I have a folder here, and I have my clips. So everything's organized. Okay, so I got my images here, and I got my clips there, and it's in this folder. So maybe I want to have multiple folders in here. I want to have multiple bins. I like to set up my bins by clips and images, but I'm using the import option in this method. So this is importing files using the import option.